I had a question about number 8, which is a lot like number 11 in the homework. I also did number 7, but a student said I didn't make clear the price that the single price monopolist should charge. So I'm going to do 7 as part of my way to doing 8. Let's do number 7 first, and that has us figuring out what price will a single price monopolist charge. So for that, remember, we do the total revenue and the marginal revenue at each level of output. Everybody that values the good more than the price charged will buy it. I don't know if I can write this small. It seems smaller than last time I did this, but let's give it a try. Anyway, so if you're selling 1 at 50, your total revenue is 50. If you're selling 2 at 46, your total revenue is 92. If you're selling 3 at 42, 126. 4 at 38, 120 plus 32, 152. And 5 at 34, 170. 6 at 30, 180. And 7 at 26, 40 plus 40, 182. It's supposed to be an 8 there. It doesn't much look like an 8. But 8 at 22, 172. Is that right? 8 times 2 is 16. 160. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 2 is 16, 176. That didn't look right. 176. All right, so your marginal revenue, if you go from 0 to 1, your revenues go up by 50. Then they go up by 42 from 50 to 92, and then they go up by 34, then they go up by 26, then they go up by 22. That's not quite right. Oh, by 18. Sorry. I can't add or subtract. Then they go up by 10, then they go up by 2, and then they fall by 6. All right, so my opportunity costs, if I'm George's opportunity costs are $15 a portrait. So as long as marginal revenue is greater than 15, you'll keep increasing output. Where do you stop? You notice that 18 is higher than 15, but 10 is not. So you'll produce that 5th portrait, but not the 6th. So your price is 34. Number of portraits is 5. Oh, sorry, I forgot I was doing 17 first. So full price is 34, and you're selling 5 undiscounted portraits. And again, I think I went over all of that in number 7, but apparently I left off emphasizing the price. So now number 8. Now we're asked to figure out his coupon price. And he knows that people with reservation prices of above 30 never use coupons. So the 5 undiscounted sales are not going to be tempted to use the coupon. So he's not undercutting his own business his own full price business by operating a coupon. This is a special case, but it just so the math stays easy. It's a little more complicated if he might eat into his full price sales by offering a coupon. But anyway, this is so now only these 3 people here, only the 3 people that didn't buy the full price are relevant. So he could sell 1 more ticket if he had a coupon price of 30. He could sell a second coupon portrait sitting if he drop the price to 26. If he dropped it all the way down to 22, he could sell 3. So what will he do? Well, we just, again, for the separate coupon market, we look at total revenue and marginal revenue. He'd add $30 to his revenues by pricing the coupon at 30. He'd sell 2 at 26. That's a total of 52. If he dropped his coupon price to 22, and then to 26, and if he dropped it to 22, he'd get 66 in coupon sale revenues. Well, what are his marginal revenues? Compared to where he doesn't offer a coupon, offering the $30 coupon price or the $4 off coupon, he could increase revenues by 30. If he has an $8 off coupon, so it's a $26 coupon price, his revenues go up by another, 52 minus 30 is 22. And then if he dropped the coupon price to 22 in order to sell a third coupon ticket, his revenues would go up by 14. So here, he'll offer that first coupon sale. He'll offer the second one because 22 is greater than 15. But he wouldn't drop the price all the way down to 22 and sell a third because 14 is less than the $15 that his costs would increase by. So his profit maximizing coupon price is 26. So my answers here are 26 and he knows the customers. At what level should George set the list price? Oh, I was okay. That was asking about the list price. The list price, let's summarize all this information. List price is 34. He'll sell 5 at that price. The discount price should be 26, and he'll sell 2 at that price. His profit, his profit is total revenue minus total costs. His total revenue from the full price, he sells 5 at 34, and he sells 2 at 26, and then his costs are, he sells 7 total, so his costs are 7 times 15. So let's see if I can do that in my head. 170 plus 52 minus 105. So that's 222 minus 105, and that's 117 is his profit. And consumer surplus, this is a little bit more complicated. Consumer surplus, notice that first person would have paid 50, only paid 34. So that first person made 16. The second person made $12 in surplus, would have paid 46, only paid 34. Then the 8, and then 4. So of the list price payers, that's the list price payers consumer surplus. And then notice that one of those discount buyers would have paid 30 but only paid 26. So there's another 4 there. The 7th buyer valued it at 26 and paid 26, no surplus. The 5th buyer at the full price valued it at 34, paid 34. So consumer surplus is 16 plus 4 is 20. 12 plus 8 is 20. That's 40 plus 4, 44 is consumer surplus.